Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix missing main navigation menu in Shopify. So what you'll need to do is basically go right here to your control panel, then click on the content right here, then click on the menus and make sure you have main menu. If you don't have one, just create it, and basically you can create it like this. Right here, enter the menu and add an items like about us, then search right here and add some pages like this. After that, what you'll need to do is basically go to your online store. So let's go to the online store, click on edit theme, and basically if you don't see this, what you'll need to do is click on the header, and right here you'll see the menu, and if you see the menu you can just replace it with upper one, or you'll see the button like this. So just select it and select main menu, then just save it, and now you successfully fixed it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and have a nice day. See you in the next one.